You've heard of Page Object Model. You've probably used it in Selenium. But what does it look like in Maestro? In traditional automation frameworks, POM means classes, methods, inheritance. But Maestro is different. No classes, no inheritance, just YAML. So, how do you apply architecture in a YAML-first world? First, we show you the practical approach. Pure YAML, reusable subflows, modular screen actions. Your tests stop looking like low-level scripts and start reading like real business scenarios, shorter, cleaner, maintainable. But what happens when your UI changes? What if the selector changes in 20 places? This is where we teach the advanced pattern. Centralized element maps, JavaScript-driven selector management, single source of truth. Your scenario logic stays stable. Your UI mapping lives in one place. And suddenly, cross-platform automation becomes realistic. This is how senior engineers design Maestro suites, not by writing more flows, but by separating responsibilities. In our Advanced Mobile Automation with Maestro course, we don't just show you how to write flows, we teach you how to structure them for scale, how to reduce maintenance, how to design automation that grows with your product. If you want to stop fighting fragile tests and start building scalable automation systems, join Advanced Mobile Automation with Maestro. Architecture is the difference between junior automation and automation leadership.